Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to reimburse employees through Gusto. Now, sometimes employees pay out of pocket for business expenses like travel, office supplies, or client lunches, and with Gusto, reimbursing them is super straightforward and can be processed right alongside payroll. Now, let's walk through how to do it. Step 1, navigate to the People section. So from your Gusto dashboard, go to the People tab and select the employee that you want to reimburse. And in their profile, scroll down to Reimbursement section. Now this is where all the reimbursement activities for the employee will be managed and tracked. Step 2, click Add Reimbursement. So click the Add Reimbursement button. A pop-up will appear where you can enter the amount that you want to reimburse, as well as the reason or description. And there's also the reimbursement date. That is, if it's different from today. If you don't want to do that immediately, you can just set the date for the reimbursement. You can also attach a receipt if you want to keep documentations on file, which is great for staying audit ready. Step 3, choose when to include the reimbursement. Now, by default, the reimbursement will be added to the employee's next scheduled payroll. If you need to process sooner or separately, you can manually run an off-cycle payroll that includes just the reimbursement. Now, Gusto makes that easy to do. Just go to the payroll tab and start a new off-cycle run. Step 4, review and confirm. So once added, you will see the reimbursement reflected in the employee's payroll summary. Review everything to make sure that it looks good. Gusto includes the reimbursement amount separately from regular wages for clarity's sake. Then submit the payroll as usual. The reimbursement will be included in the direct deposits to the employee, and it won't have taxes withheld since it's a non-taxable item. Step 5, track reimbursements. Now you can view a history of all reimbursements in both the employee's profile and your company-wide report. Now this makes it super easy to track spendings, categorize expenses, and just keep your books in order. And that's how you reimburse employees in Gusto. Simple, fast, and stress-free. Up next, we'll dive into how to run your first payroll with Gusto. Let's keep building your workflow. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you guys in the next one.